Kublai pi baru kini kilonggi kubor bam tagasngi. Ka Meghalaya Cabinet Glashim Mikarai ka bakongsan ban penyaj ya ka snem mission mood program ban pyrshah ya ka jingïasaphriang jong ka HIV and AIDS ha ka jila. Hadien bala yoi ba ka jingkiu jong ni ka jingïapat ba kala long ka basngokia shibun ha kini ka snem bala len. Ka cabinet kala menjuru banbo arf sankrur tingka kum ka jingïatu upat ba lingba ka ni ka mission mood program kata sankrur tingka shisnem ban penyaj ya ki program jingïatu upat ba awareness campaign. Ban penkanya ki infrastructure ban penyaj ki wiki kam jingya rapat ba ki badon. Benta ha ka jingya kun pyrshah ya ka HIV and AIDS. Habakran syikilat pathai kubor Menteri Rangba ka jila u Conrad ke sangma ulo ong ba ka jingkiu jong ka HIV growth rate kala long ka basngokya bat ka pin ngos ir. Henry ka ni kala pelong ka sarkar ban shimi ka rai ban wanra ya ka jing tray ka bakam jingya renti bakam penlet jingmon. Menteri Rangba ulapan pau bahagi ni snem lalen ka jingya pat ba na ka HIV ban AIDS kala nang jur. Ka adult HIV prevalence rate ha Meghalaya kalong 0.43%. Ka bakam he shibun banya ka national average ka balong 0.21%. Hadu mentala antat badan kumbak handai hajar sans pa prap kundai ngut gibriu ki ba imbat ka HIV ha ka jilla. Ula benrap ru bahadu usnem arhajar arpsau ka jingthung thamai jong ka HIV kadang ne ha ka kadan ka bahe nrei ko bakndai spa prapu arngut ki kes thamai lapen shisha ka bapen I badan kambha ya ka jingya kun ka bakham jingya drinti bat ka bakham plet jingmon. Ukonrat ke sang maulo ong bakalong ka kamram jong ka sarkar ban pentikna bagani ka jingya kun kanong ka bathmu bat ka badan ka rukam trikam ka basyai. Ulapan pau bakani ka mission mood program kala ai ka jingmentoy na marba ka long ya ka sarkar ban long ka ba focus bandon ya ka structure system bat ban kershani ki kinhun ba pher ki society bat kishnong ki thau ki blashim benta ha ka ni ka kam. Ulo ong ru bahagis nem ba mensha omdan shu ki program ki bashai omdun ru ka jingerap pisa ka bapura dan tang khindiat ka jingerap na ka social welfare henry omde ya baro. But omdan ka jingya lendi ka batmu pat ba ne ka rehabilitation plan ya ki NGO bar ki organization ki batray hagani ka benta. Henry mentaling bagani ka mission mood program lala ban penkre iki number ban bu iki fund kar kum ka jingdon kam bat kum taru ki rehabilitation center kilas dang ban wan shaprang haki district bapher jong ka jala. Menteri Rangba ula banjur baga mission mood program ka ai kalat ban bu ka jingya por ka basyai batmu ya ki Lakshya ki batikna bat bandon ya ka financial budgeting ka babiang banla ban pendep ya kita ki lakshya. Uloang balada omdon kum kani ka program ka batmu bah ki kam ki juyat betang kum ba julong don ki ba job don ki ba rem re omdon ka jingjob ka bapura. Kani ka rai jung ka cabinet ka long ka sinjam ka ba kongsan ban penhyari ya ka jingkiu jung ka HIV bat AIDS bat ban pentikna ba ka jila Meghalaya kanla ban ya kun pyrshah ya kani ka jingya pat ba ha karukam ka bakham trekam bar ka bakham jingya drinti.
The growth rate is what was the aspect that we felt was quite alarming. Just mention to you that Meghalaya's HIV epidemic has intensified in recent years. The state's adult HIV prevalence is 0.43%, far exceeds the national average of 0.21%. With roughly 9,589 people living with HIV as of 2024. New infections remain high, approximately 982 cases annually. So that's the number that's there. Try. And it's the government's duty to ensure that there's a focused approach. The Dream Mission has had its impact in the sense that we've been very focused on what we're doing. There is a structured system to support different groups, different societies, localities who are actively involved in this. Earlier there was no program, there was hardly any financial support. Whatever a bit used to come from social welfare, some used to get, some never got. There was no plan to have rehabilitation or recovery centers in the districts. But based on this particular mission, we have come out with those numbers, and based on that, funds are being available, and now based on that, the rehabilitation centers are coming up. So this is a process that's happening. A mission mode program allows you to be focused. A mission mode program allows you to achieve certain goals in a specific time manner, and a mission mode program allows you to have the financial budgeting to be able to then achieve those goals. So this is the idea. Now, if you don't have a mission mode program, as I said, then things will go on as they're going on, and we may sometimes succeed and we may not sometimes succeed. But as I said, it's our duty as a government to ensure that we give it our best. This mission mode program creation is in itself an indication that we're serious about this. We have budgeted 25 crores for this. We have a detailed program plan on how we're going to implement it, and today the cabinet has approved that plan. So that's the whole idea.
So we have